Hi, Jimmy's mom. Carl Wheezer here. I'm about to guess your age in 1 minute and 6 seconds. First step, pick any number from 1 to 9. Multiply that number by 2. Now add 5 to your new number. Now multiply that number by 50. I'll give you some time here, Jimmy's mom. Now, if you've had your birthday this year, add 1,770. If you have not had your birthday this year, add 1,769. You might need a calculator. Now, last step, subtract your birth year from this number. You should have a 3-digit number. The first number is the original number you choose, and the last two should be your age. Subscribe for more Carl Wheezer.